Hello, fifth grade. Today we're going to do our ERQ for Tuesday, April 21st. Sarah has a chocolate box whose length is 12 centimeters, height 9 centimeters, and width is 6 centimeters. Determine the volume of the box. Use the formula from the above worksheet. So you should have just got done using that worksheet and you should have seen the formula for volume. This should also be a review from fourth grade for you. The formula for volume is going to be length times width times height. Today, for our do word or our power verb, it wants us to determine. What does it want us to determine? The volume of the box. In order to do that, like I said, we're going to be using length times width times height. I saw that my length was 12 centimeters, my height was 9 centimeters, and my width was 6 centimeters. All I have to do is simply multiply all these together in order to get my final answer. So I'm going to start with 12 times 6 first. Now, that should be a quick fact. And if you don't know 12 times 6 off the top of your head, you need to start practicing online if you can, or with flashcards. But if you don't know it off the top of your head, you can still do 6 times 2 is going to give me 12. 6 times 1 is going to give me 6, plus 1 gives me 7. So I have 72 for now. I'm not done yet though, because I need to make sure that I still include what the height was. So I would do 72 times 9. 9 times 2 is, you should have said 18. Carry your 1. 9 times 7 is, you should have said 63, plus 1, 64. Your answer is 648, but like I always say, is it what? 648 clowns? 648 chickens? No, you need to make sure that you include your unit. And when I look back up at the problem, I see that our unit is centimeters. So I'm going to write centimeters. Now, since we are working with a 3D shape, we have to make sure that we add one more thing to our answer. It should be 648 centimeters with a 3 here. And we don't say it 648 centimeters 3 or 648 centimeters to the power of 3. We say 648 centimeters cubed because we are working with a rectangular prism, which is a 3D shape. So I always try to remember 3D. You got your 3 right here. 648 centimeters cubed. Those are the steps on how to do the problem. Make sure you also give me at least 1 or 2 sentences on how you solved your problem. And that's going to give you your full 4 points. Take care, fifth grade.